Imagine a world where trust is built into the very fabric of our digital reaction. A world where transactions are secure, transparent, and unchangeable. That world is ready here thanks to blockchain technology. You may ask yourself, what is blockchain? Let me just break it down in a simple way. Blockchain is a decentralized database where data is stored in the blocks that are linked together on a chain. But what does this block actually contain? Number one, data of transactions. Number two, every block is assigned an equal hash value which acts as a fingerprint for the data it stores. Number three, the hash of the previous block is included in the next block. What is the significance of each of these elements in the context of the blockchain? Blockchain block is essentially a container for transaction. It can store many transactions at once, such as the transfer of $100 from Brian to Ephraim. If the transaction is modified from $50 to $100, the hash of the block containing the transaction will be completely different. The chain structure of the blockchain is formed by linking each block to the previous one using hash. Together with transactions and equal hashes, these elements define a blockchain. Stay tuned on Exobase for the next episode. Subscribe, turn off the notification.